Multiple sclerosis and GLP-1 medications, the newest research that just came out this July. I'm Jessica Brown. I'm a nutritionist, author of Beyond the Shot and The Loving Diet. Remember, this is not medical advice and I'm not a doctor. If you have multiple sclerosis and you've wondered, are GLP-1 medications safe? A brand new systematic review just gave us our clearest answers yet. The study was called GLP-1 receptor agonists in multiple sclerosis. It was published July 10th, 2026, and it's the first systematic review to examine all the available evidence on GLP-1 medications and MS. Here's what they looked at. They reviewed 15 studies, including 8 animal studies and 4 human studies. The clinical outcome data came from 109 people with MS, and researchers also analyzed a registry of more than 4,100 people with MS to better understand real-world GLP-1 use. Here's what they found. In animal models of MS, GLP-1 medications consistently did a few things: reduced inflammation, protected nerve cells, and promoted remyelination, which is the repair of the damaged nerve coverings. In the human studies, which are small and observational, but still findings are encouraging, they noticed that people with MS taking GLP-1 medications experienced significant weight loss, averaging about 3.7% reduction in BMI, and actually a bump up in vitamin D levels, which is really interesting because vitamin D plays an important role in immune functions in MS. But most importantly, researchers found no increase in disability progression, relapse rates, or walking impairment. Side effects were similar to those seen in the general population, mostly gastrointestinal. So what does this mean? It does not mean GLP-1 medications treat multiple sclerosis, but it does suggest that for people with MS who need a GLP-1 medication for obesity or diabetes, the evidence so far is reassuring and shows no evidence of neurological worsening. And the authors did say that the next step is randomized clinical trials to determine whether GLP-1 medications may offer neuroprotective benefits beyond their metabolic effects.